I'm in Ubud in Jalan Monkey Forest. We got so many requests to show you this this area over here, because you're missing this place already. So here we go, guys. You can expect the comprehensive review of the area of Jalan Monkey Forest. It's a bit quiet. I believe the monkeys are still hungry over there, and it looks pretty sad here, to be honest. Here is the Utama Spice, but after that seems like many other businesses are closed except this one, Utama Spice. So I'm gonna walk down, show you around, but I have to be very careful because you see this one, small bad boys. That's my family. But I don't know if they are friendly today. Have to be careful because so many hungry monkeys. Obviously not many tourists coming. Here is some construction. Almost everything is just literally closed. However, here is some reconstruction. So it will be something new. But where is the monkey? Somewhere here. You see they playing on the cables. Look at this. Look at this one. All the cables are shaky. Like, have to be very careful here. I hope so the monkey not gonna jump on me. The monkey is working on the street, and the buildings, don't wanna say that, but looking a little bit ugly after 1.5 years left apart. Monkey sleeping here, eating something next to the lady on the top. It's a little bit self-destruction, but that's how it is. Most of the business, not well, basically almost all the businesses, but let's say most of the businesses are closed. Only here is the one warung open, and I saw ladies shooing away the monkeys all the time. This monkey wanna whitening teeth. That's actually cool. Good for the thumbnail. She wanna get inside to the whitening teeth. Only 500,000 rupiah. I hope so she can pay for that, or he, from the tickets. Anyway, from the Monkey Forest. Monkey Forest is at the front, and not much is happening in general. The monkeys walking everywhere. So here is the entrance to the Monkey Forest, and there is some lady selling the rattan bags, and there are monkeys obviously walking everywhere. Let's see what's gonna happen here. He's waiting for jump. Let's see. Yo, what's up, buddy? Here we go. How you doing? Yo, what's up? This lady is open here. Like this building looking like gonna get collapsed soon. So that's the little bit of the comprehensive review of the situation here, very close to the Monkey Forest, on Jalan Monkey Forest. Well, except these two ladies and the Utama Spice on the top, nothing is open. Well, you can comment below if in your opinion it looks sad, or maybe it's not sad, maybe it's like that's how it's supposed to be. I'm gonna grab some coffee and cake now, if the place is open. Also, last time many of you was complaining as I'm doing too short when I showing my food and the cake and coffee, because you really are interested about my coffee and cake. Expect a comprehensive review for that. And also, meanwhile, I have to walk a little bit. You can enjoy a little bit of the beautiful shot of the rice fields of the Taro village, which is of the which is on the north of the Ubud center, like 12 kilometers, 15 kilometers north. This beautiful village called Staro. I was there before, fly a little bit, so enjoy. Also, when I was coming here, I was passing the Ubud center, where is the market. And there, yeah, there are some tourists there are some people there around, that's true. But that's, I think only this place is, that place is something happening here. Because where I'm here now, really doesn't look that much optimistic. Not yet. Maybe in the future. Well, probably for sure, but not today. Not yet.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
So this is the place where I'm gonna have a coffee. Actually, I've been here already many times, but yeah, one more time. This is my coffee waiting for me. This beautiful lady preparing for me. And also, I'm gonna show you these cakes because many people asking about the cake. So here we go. This is the selection, and I choose today this one. Here is some boutique for ladies. If you're interested, maybe. Actually, 70% of my audience are males and only 30% are females. However, you know, your husband, boyfriend, so you never know. Maybe you need to have experience of places like this. So my coffee, cappuccino, as always, my favorite one. And here is the cake. It's called chocolate truffle cake. Here we go, guys, the comprehensive review of the cake. I think I should change my concept of my YouTube channel, our channel, and make a foodie or something like that, reviewing hotels, restaurants, food, stuff like this. Actually, will be also probably interested, or maybe second additional channel. Comment below if you would like to see, or maybe in Polish language. Yeah, you can comment below. Anyway, cheers. Really nice, highly recommended cake. Like a small kid. I sit here because the light is better and you can see my face clearly. I show you a little bit of everything. I didn't plan this vlog today because was like I had different idea, but something happened on the way. I had to change my plans. Actually, I think it's actually even more interesting when you can comment below if you like it. Also, every cake lovers, this was for you. And of course, guys, thank you so much for sharing your stories. What you do first thing when you're coming to Bali. I was really happy to answer all of your comments. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care.